Hello, in this video, we're basically going to do nothing. I'm just going to talk a little bit about the simple drone. The simple drone, as you can see, it has other files here. The drone body, the drone rig, there is a master, and there is a number of routers, and every router had also another child. These we will basically never ever touch, really. I think during our project. So there is no need for you to show whatever under the simple drone. But take a look at the simple drone. If you don't have this animator, and that doesn't have the router spin here and the quad drone avatar, then you need to add that component. I found it here under also the animator, not animation, animator. If you add animation, add it, but there's nothing there. It says play automatically. And animate physics, nothing, calling type, always animate. Okay, not bad, but you need the animator. Now, how do you get the animator? You either click here on the router spin. Yeah, so where do we get that from? Again, from simple drone. You have here the animator, not animation, the animator. You have router spin, you double click, and as you can see, this is the router spin controller. I forgot about that. Then I will go under simple drone here in the hierarchy, the project hierarchy, and simple drone animation, double click, here it is. Now this is going to explain in class what it is, but in fact here, maybe we can also take a look. This has to do with the states of animation. So this is the router spin. So this is the animation, the router spin here, and this is the speed and all that. So this is the animation. If you double click it, so if you double click it now, you will probably in default land here, right? And you can take a look at what's in here, but do not change anything really. And mostly there's nothing that you would change. In the animation, very important is to find this checked. The loop time should be checked. So that is just something that you need to make sure it is already there and this is already checked. Other than that, loop time is a check. So you need this, the loop time, to be checked, as I am mentioning here in these slides. Here, the loop time checkbox is checked. So make sure this is checked, which is, as you can see by default, it is checked and nothing else. So you can take a look at curves here, and here are different parameters, and you can add them as you. Let's not do this for now. So let's get rid of this. This is events. Okay, this is mask motion. What's under motion? Root, motion, nod. Well, for now, I will just not do anything with that. So there's nothing really you could do here. So just for your information, once you, in fact, go over the simple drone here, and that you clicked on or double clicked on the router spin, it gave us this benefit that you have now an animator tab that wasn't there before. And even if you double click this, and you can see the animation, make sure that this is also checked. You can actually relocate this. I relocated it. It wasn't really showing like this. So, okay, and then you can show the object and its animation. Do you see that? So whatever object that you import from Blender or whatever, you can do this. Now, if you click on the quad drone, which is under mesh, or you just go to mesh here, simple drone, we went animation, router spin. If you go to mesh and you click on the quads here, go in. This will take you exactly almost the same as when you were doing the router spin, right? Go in here, the router spin, almost the same here. Quad drone. What does that mean? these are children. So this is a child of the router spin, yeah? This is why this is happening. If you ever, grabbed your attention and wondering how is this like, this is almost this, we got it through here when we double clicked here on the router spin, and then a quad drawn in a session, which is the same as this one, yeah, because it is the child, yeah. So it's all right, nothing really new, but in this video I basically showed you how to, in fact, add this animator tab. Again, if you click on the simply drawn and you don't have this animator that has this kind of icon, just add a component. You might find it here under miscellaneous as an animator. Okay, this is all. See you in the next video then.